Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. In this presentation, I'll be offering several different tips and strategies to advance you in your career. One of the best things a young individual can do, new to their career, is to find a mentor. It always pays to have someone in your corner who's looking out for you. Next, consider your education in the field. The higher the level of degree you have, the more money you're going to make over time. Teachers with master's degree make more money than teachers with bachelor's degrees. It's advantageous to your career when you're able to build your own professional network. Networks can provide support as well as give some insight on new job positions and much more. If you want to advance in your career, take on more responsibility. It will show other staff members and administrators that you're ready to take on a leadership role. As time goes by and you would like to earn a greater position, you should update the resume. When a new position becomes available, you'll want to have best of you on that piece of paper. In this world, you really have to brand yourself. For example, this YouTube channel is one way that I brand myself in an effort to stand out from my colleagues. The next strategy to career success is to dress for success. The truth is, the way you dress affects the way people think about you. If you ever wonder why a person in the same position makes more money, the answer is usually negotiation. Being able to negotiate is key in business. Perseverance is not only the answer to career success, but also life success. Don't give up on your career. If you want something, you have to fight for it. Set career goals for yourself. J.C. Penney said, "Give me a stock clerk with a goal, and I'll show you a man who'll change history. Give me a man without a goal, and I'll give you a stock clerk." When working, even if you're not thrilled about the job, try and have a positive attitude. With a positive attitude, other co-workers will be drawn to you. Be thankful for your job if you're treated right. I work with many employees that spend all day complaining. Remember, no job is perfect. The next strategy is a rather obvious one, which is to work hard. There's no getting around it. The most successful people outwork everyone else. The formula is not a secret. Continuing, when I first began working, I was always the first one through the door. And what that did was it helped me get noticed. And I used that extra time to also get further prepared. Now, the truth is, it's important to have work friends. It's much easier to be happy with your job if you have plenty of work friends. Work friends actually make going to work worthwhile. And this leads to the next career advancement strategy, being a team player. Being a team player is harder for some than others, so you may have to work at being a team player. You'll need to have some fun too. Having fun will help reduce stress, and it will result in increased productivity. On to the last tip. One that I think is perhaps the most important, which is to have confidence in yourself. This is the most important tip for career success. If you don't believe in yourself, how can you honestly expect anyone else to believe in you? Right now, I want to say thank you for your time. Please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check the description for resources as well. And I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.